Today we're going to do some air-fried sugar donuts. Here are the ingredients. We got some cinnamon, and we also have some white sugar and brown sugar mixed together. And we got some of these here grand butter tasty home-style biscuits. You could use flaky biscuits with this as well. It works the best. Then we got a stick of unsalted butter. So let's go ahead and pop these biscuits right on open. How many of y'all are scared to pop these canned biscuits? Y'all are just scared to hear that sound. Comment below if that's you. I want you to pop these biscuits open. And what I'm doing here now, I'm just placing the biscuits in my air fryer to see how many I can really get inside this here air fryer. Now after that, I got me a old bottle cap. I took a bottle cap, y'all, off of a soda, and this is what I'm making the donut holes with. So press it right there in the center to make your donut holes, and you can also keep those donut holes to make you some air fried donut holes. And I'm telling you, they good to the bone. Yes it is, yes it is, yes it is. Excellent recipe, y'all. And I'm telling you, this is easy, simple. Your kids will love it. You probably would love it yourself. We all some big kids anyway. Now I want you to go ahead and pop these in your air fryer. Set your air fryer temperature to 325 degrees. And I want you to put your timer setting at 10 minutes. We're going to let this cook for 10 minutes. Now, I want you to go ahead and mix your brown sugar, white sugar mixture along with your cinnamon. Mix it all together. Yes, indeed. You can put as much cinnamon you like. It don't matter at this particular point in time. We're making some sugar donuts air fried. I'm telling you, it's going to be good, y'all. For real, for real. So, after we've let these donuts cook for at least around about 10 minutes, I want you to melt that butter in the microwave. Then I want you to take your donut, go ahead and dip it in that butter, coat it well. After you've coated that with butter, I want you to go ahead and dredge it in your sugar cinnamon mixture and set it to the side on a plate, and do the exact same thing with the rest of your donuts. Now I want you to take your donuts and place them right back in your air fryer and let them cook for additional 4 to 5 minutes. I want that sugar to become crusty just a little bit. Then after that, I want you to take you some milk, dip them in your milk, share these with your friends. If you have enough, send me some. I would love to have some of your donuts. Now I want you to go ahead and make you some ice and spread it on top, whatever you feel. You understand? This is a good recipe. You guys need to try this. Thank you so much for watching this here video. Now you see my picture. Become a Mack family member by subscribing. Click on that picture. Watch these videos. Comment below. Like this video. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.